these are some of the ads that some people run very consistently. Do you think this will be effective?
Go to the testimonial, let me look at it.
Yeah, testimonial also.
Okay, running service ads, that means success stories, right? Or testimonial ads will only work with hot audiences. That means these are people that have already interacted with you, they know you, they like you, but they just haven't taken action with you yet. Those ads will work extremely well as a way to push them off the indecision. But if you run testimonial ads to people who don't even know who you are, they don't care. Because you see, there's this thing called confirmation bias. So what's called confirmation bias? It's like if I don't like you, right, everything you do I also don't like. I will find an excuse not to like you. But if I like you, right, every bad thing that you do, I will find an excuse to justify. You know what I'm talking about, Ian? Human being has this. So if I don't know who you are, right, I will say, these ad testimonials confirms the doctor that it's not real one. These are like maybe family and friends. Or if I don't like you, I don't know you, I say, sure, like you deal with 10 customers, 9 are upset with you, 1 is happy with you, you show me the happy one. We are so good at that. I mean, just case in point, recently SGAG shared a Samaritan, right, a kind Singaporean lady who actually bought food for Grab riders. And it's such a good thing. And guess what? One of the comments say, walao, you buy food for them, never give them fork and spoon how to eat. You want to help people also use your brain can. There are always going to be people who, because they don't know who you are, they don't like you, they're going to be biased. Therefore, all this good stuff you do will also again go down the drain. That's why it always points back to, do you have a brand? Because if they don't know you, they don't like you, they don't respect you, anything you do is waste of time.
I totally agree, man. So I just want to ask you, Eric, let's say if today, right, for whatever reason you decide, okay, maybe you want to quit everything and you want to do real estate, what are the 3 things that you do? Maybe just share with us, what are the 3 actionable steps that Eric Feng will do if you're going to be a real estate agent?
I will get very clear about my affinity market, or we call it dream customers. That means I will do my research to find out what type of customers will only want to buy from Eric Feng. You see, Ian, understand in the world of marketing, right? If competition is healthy, domination is immunity. So I don't want to be the number 1 fish. I want to be the only fish. So I will find out what ponds that I need to swim in where I'm the only big fish around. That will be my step 1. Right. Step number 2, I would collect a lot of information about the dream customers. I will find out which social media platform they are on. I will find out what time they're on that social media platform. I will find out who they follow and what kind of content they like. And based on all the information they have gathered, I would create an infinite, crazy amount of content to create this familiarity effect, to get them to keep seeing me around, but not irritating because I'm adding value. And then for every 4 pieces of content I create, one of them will have a CTA that asks them to, join my community. And that's when I get their contact details. And then once they're in my community, I continue to add value to them. There's another set of content that you need to create, and it's not difficult. Right? It's never about creating content, it's about documenting. As you help your customers, there's a way to capture those insights. So content creation is effortless. It's just that because people think that I can't speak, I can't write, I can't talk, therefore I cannot create content. What if I tell you that you don't need to be a good speaker, you don't need to be a good writer, you don't need to be a good talker, you can still create great content. Great content doesn't require eloquence. Great content requires empathy. So what if I tell you there's a way to do that? I'm basically built a funnel for myself. And the magic number is this: every 100 followers I build, 20 of them will join my community, and out of 20, I'll close about 10 sales. That will be my funnel. Organic ads. There are actually 4 superpowers in social media. Number 1, it helps you deepen relationship with your existing customers, and that gets you repeated sales and referrals. Number 2, it helps you build your personal brand so that people know you and like you, and that increases your closing ratio. And number 3, social media also help you generate new leads, which is what you guys are focusing on or you want. And the last one is social media help you build strategic partnerships that allow you to scale your entire business. I want you guys to tell me, which superpower are you most excited about? Social media superpower 1 is to help you deepen your relationship with your existing customers. It gets you repeated sales, it gets you referrals. Superpower 2, it helps you to build your brand. It helps people know you, like you, respect you, so that later on when you approach them and say, hey, buy from me, they're going to be so much open to your influence. Therefore, you notice that your closing ratio goes up. You will also get a lot of passive inquiries. What I mean by passive inquiries, it means that people come to you rather than you go to the other person. Number 3, the third superpower of social media is it allows you to build a pipeline of sales leads. So you generate new sales for you, all right, without having to run ads. Ads is one way, but I'm saying that there's an organic way as well that you don't have to run ads. And then the last one is it allows you to build partnership. It attracts a lot of strategic allies, influencers, media, online media that want to work with you, they want to feature you, that allows you to therefore increase your influence, which increases your closing ratio and leads.
I trust you found that video helpful and informative. Now, I'll be posting on YouTube a lot more and would love to have you watch those videos every week. So remember to hit the subscribe button below as well as the bell notification. Also, this video would be great for you to watch.